For the connectivity heat map, you'll need a polygon layer representing your area of interest. For a detailed guide on adding layers, please watch our Adding a Layer video. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then pick Heat Map Connectivity. Choose your desired transportation mode and define the maximum travel time in minutes, then choose the layer where you want to carry out the analysis. Then press Run. The calculation should only take a couple of seconds in an area of this size. The hexagonal grid shows the relative connectivity based on transport and street networks. It displays how well different locations within the chosen area are connected compared to other locations in your study area. It helps to find barriers in the network. At the left panel in Layers section, you can hide the layers. If you click on a feature, you can see its attributes. The bigger the accessibility number is, the better the connectivity. In this case, those are the darker hexagons. The selected layer's design can be changed at the right side panel at Layer Design.